everybody. My name is Tobias Löwenhofer. I have to say thank you to Gabriel for the short introduction. As you see on the wall, I'm working for the CEMA as a consultant, especially for cloud services. And today I don't want to talk about who we are, I just want to show you what we are doing and maybe it's interesting for you. So, just go to the next slide. These are situations which we are seeing every day when we're going to our customers. Maybe some of the questions are really known from you. We have questions from our customers or problems like, is the mail system secure and compliant? Finance cannot open XLS documents because they are using Google Sheets. And these are some problems which we are facing every day at our customers, but what we are doing there. So let's jump to the next slide. I just want to show you some typical situations which we are seeing often in startups. And I think the most of you knowing that startups starting with bring your own device, using Google Apps for communication, hosting their applications on Amazon Web Services. That's really fine for starting, but what happens when the startups are growing up? And if you have 10 people, that's fine, but what happens when you have 400 people and then you can face, or you have to face really, really big problems. What about infrastructure management of the local IT? What about compliance, security, and something like that? And this is where we are on the way. And what about scalability of data centers which we are using? These are really, really big things which need to be discussed. And my personal favorite is identity management. I think the most of you are using Slack, Facebook, Twitter, and all these SaaS applications which are there. But what happens if you are in a startup company and you have 50 people who are using Facebook, and one of these guys are leaving the company because they have trouble with their CEO, and the IT administrator forgot to delete his account. Yeah, that can cause a really, really big trouble if this guy posts some shit on the Facebook site. Wouldn't it be great if the HR team or the IT administrator click on one button and he can deny all his access on Twitter, Facebook, Slack, and all the other accounts? How does this work? I just want to show you now and how we solve these problems. The most important thing I think is that the customer has to be really focused on their business, because you want to develop your apps and that's fine. But what we are doing then, we're providing the whole in-house IT infrastructure services. That means we're taking care on your local IT, on your clients, on your licensing, especially our business, what we are doing here. And maybe if you see the layout of this presentation, we are working with Microsoft. If you're interested to see these products, we have a stand nearby there. Where's my partner? There, okay, fine. And we'll show you these software applications there if you're interested. But what we are doing on the data center services side, most of you are using Amazon Web Services, but there's also an alternative on the planet, and that's called Microsoft Azure Services. And Microsoft becomes really, really cool in the past years, and they're also providing mobile application services, where you have pre-configured mobile application services for push notifications, databases, and something like that. So if you're interested to try that out, just come to our booth there. And yeah, that's running all on Microsoft stuff, which we are providing here now. And if you're interested to take a deeper look in that, just come to us. And now that's all from my side. I wish you a nice evening, enjoy this event, and enjoy the drinks too. Thanks.